Hello everyone, in this video we are going to launch a new broker that is Flattrade, and we will be also guiding you where to find its all login credentials like API keys and API secret keys. Okay, let's go to this dashboard, and from here you can see this all brokers options. In this broker option you have to select this one, Flattrade one, click on this open button and a login page will open. Okay, in this login page you have to give your API keys and API secret key. If you don't have this both credential, you can follow this both steps also. You can follow this both steps. Okay, first you have to click on this open in new tab. Simply click on this. It will redirect us to a wall by Flattrade. It's a platform by Flattrade where you can get your all API keys. Okay, simply click on this login button, and here you have to log in with your Flattrade credentials. Simply write your Flattrade credentials, whatever you have. Okay, and here you can write your TOTP key or OTP key, anything you can write, whatever you have. If you don't have TOTP keys, simply click on this get OTP, then you will get a OTP on your phone. That OTP also you can use. Okay, now click on this login button, and now we are logged in this wall. Okay, here you will be going in this section, this pie section. We will go to this pie section, and now we will create a new app. We don't have any API keys, so we will create a new API key. Okay, here we will be writing our plat app name, and for short names you can write pro trado anything. Okay, in the redirect URL, you have to go to this login page. Just go to this login page and see, this is our redirect URL, https pro.trado.trade slash flattrade slash login. Simply click on copy this link, or click on this copy button, and now we have copied it. Now simply paste it here. See, pro.trade.trade slash flattrade slash login. Okay, and in post back URL you have to not write anything. In description you can write Trado of fast trading terminal. Okay, and simply check this box, I read and agree to this terms and condition. Simply create. Okay, now we got our API keys and secret keys also. Okay, we will using this both credential to log in our this this terminal. Let's go to this terminal, and just give me a second. Okay, always on top feature now enabled. Okay, simply copy this one and paste it here in your API keys. See, API key, this API key will go in this API key section, and for secret key click on this I button. Okay, we got this API secret key, this API secret key. Click on this copy button. See, we copied this full API secret key. From here to here you have to copy this full key. Okay, or you can click on this button also, it will copy out this full API secret key, and you have to paste this secret key in this one, in this box. Okay, and then simply click on this sign in button. Before clicking on this sign in button, you can check this box or uncheck this box, anything you can do. If you check this box, next time whenever you will come, you don't have to write your API key or API secret key. Okay, so simply check it, and it will store this that API key and API secret key in your local browser. Okay, let's do this. Now here we redirected to the Flattrade login page. Here also you have to write your credential, your Flattrade credentials. Just give me a second. And your TOTP key. Simply click on this login button. See, it's now getting logged in. It will take few seconds to log in to connect with your broker server. See, now it's connected to your broker server. You can side by side you can open your this Flattrade one, Flattrade this web app. Okay, it's not logged in. I can log in that this one also. Just give me a second. and into your TP key. Okay, click on this login button, cancel it, position, order book. Okay, we will be placing some orders to just verify. No, currently market is closed. You can see it's nearly 750. So market is closed. I will be just placing. Our order is getting rejected. I will buy this 100 lots. Our order got rejected, and we instantly placing orders. Now you can use this terminal with Flattrade also. And yeah, enjoy. Thank you.